Do you know that many Kurdish words have become English words also? What do you call the White House? The Koshki Spi, the White Palace. That word koshk came into the English language around 400 years ago. Travelers to Istanbul saw small open buildings that the Ottoman Sultan and society called koshk, a word that they had borrowed from the Persian and Kurdish languages. This word entered European languages in the 1600s, and in English, koshk became kiosk and was used for small open buildings, and this is how we still use kiosk to describe small open structures where things like books or mobiles or food are sold. Kiosk doesn't mean palace like koshk does in Kurdish, but it's the same word. To remember this word connection, you can think of a kiosk as a small palace for buying things, a koshki kitebunamun.